What if the coolest gadget on the internet is something you've never seen before? Today, we're checking out some insanely smart, useful, and genuinely impressive gadgets that actually solve real-world problems. You're watching Next Tool X. If you love discovering awesome tech before everyone else, hit subscribe. And if you want to grab any of these gadgets, you'll find all the links in the description. Let's jump in. Crooked shelves? Uneven picture frames? Not anymore. The Fantic D2 Pocket Laser Level projects a bright green cross line that's up to 4 times easier to see than red, with self-leveling accuracy within 1/8 inch at 30 feet. The 360-degree magnetic mount sticks to metal for hands-free alignment, while Pulse Mode extends the range outdoors. It's USB-C rechargeable, runs for up to 10 hours, and is small enough to fit in your pocket. DIY projects just got a whole lot easier. Tiny parts driving you crazy? This tool fixes that. This helping hands soldering station locks your project in place with 4 flexible arms and 360-degree rotating alligator clips, so both hands stay free. The 5x magnifying glass with 3 LED color modes and 10 brightness levels makes every tiny detail easy to see. Plus, the heavy-duty steel base won't slide around, and it even includes a brass tip cleaner and desoldering wick. If you solder electronics, this is a serious bench upgrade. Still packing 3 different charging cables? That's old news. This 3-in-2 multi-charging cable lets you charge your Apple Watch, iPhone, Samsung, AirPods, and other USB-C devices with one compact cable. It supports USB-A and USB-C power, delivers up to 3.5 amps of charging, and features a built-in magnetic Apple Watch charger with safety protection. The rugged braided design is built for travel, road trips, flights, and everyday carry. One cable, almost every device. Ever lose your keys in the dark? This tiny gadget solves that for the next 25 years. It's called SpinTi, a spinning titanium keychain powered by tritium glow technology. No batteries, no charging, no buttons, just a constant glow, day and night. It even spins like a premium fidget toy and fits on your keychain. Tiny gadget, ridiculously cool. Ever landed in a new country and instantly lost internet? This pocket-sized Wi-Fi hotspot works in over 200 countries with no SIM card needed. It automatically finds the strongest network, connects up to 10 devices, and keeps you online for hours. Whether you're traveling, working, or road tripping, this tiny gadget can save you from the biggest travel headache. Cyclists. This is wild. Instead of looking down at your phone every few seconds, this tiny device projects navigation and ride data right in your field of view. No distractions, no taking your eyes off the road. Just follow the directions while you ride. It's basically fighter jet HUD technology, redesigned for everyday cyclists. And honestly, it feels like something straight out of the future. Your check engine light just came on? Before paying a mechanic, watch this. This tiny Bluetooth OBD2 scanner plugs into your car and instantly tells you what's wrong using AI. It reads codes, clears warning lights, shows live engine data, and even gives repair advice right on your phone. If you own a car, this gadget could save you hundreds of dollars. I thought this was just another suitcase, until it tripled its storage space. The 4D Maxx uses airtight compression compartments that squeeze your clothes down, letting you pack way more without checking another bag. Everything stays organized, waterproof, and easy to access. Imagine fitting a week-long trip into carry-on luggage. Yeah, that's why travelers are obsessed with this thing. Still trying to work with just one screen? You're slowing yourself down. Meet Brick Display Grid, a modular triple-screen workstation with 5 layout modes that adapts to the way you work. Raise the screens with 3 height levels, carry 1, 2, or all 3 displays, and set everything up without any tools. With support for up to 4K resolution, this is like carrying a full desktop workspace wherever you go. What if your nightstand could protect you and charge your phone? This biometric bedside safe unlocks in just 0.1 seconds with your fingerprint, while the auto-opening drawer and built-in light give you fast access in the dark. Plus, the smart LED display shows the time, temperature, humidity, battery level, and lock status at a glance. On top, it wirelessly charges your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. It's a bedside organizer, charging station, and secure safe, all in one smart setup. Imagine turning any idea into a sticker in seconds. This tiny AI-powered printer lets you speak, type, or upload a photo, then instantly prints custom stickers with zero ink. Perfect for notes, journals, study hacks, or DIY projects. It fits in your pocket, connects in seconds, and makes creativity ridiculously easy. Honestly, this might be the coolest mini printer of the year. Your room looks boring at night? Watch this! This Govee floor lamp doesn't just light up a room, it projects moving ripple effects across your ceiling, like having your own private light show. Need focus? Switch to bright task lighting. Movie night? One tap, and the whole vibe changes. Alexa compatible, app controlled, and seriously addictive. This might be the coolest upgrade your room gets this year. Ever split a pill and end up with powder instead of two halves? This gadget fixes that. Unlike cheap plastic cutters, it uses dual aluminum blades that slice from both sides at once for cleaner, more accurate cuts. Big pills, tiny tablets, even pet meds. It handles them all. If dosage matters, this tiny tool can save frustration every single day. Most people discover a water leak when it's already cost them thousands. This smart gadget catches it instantly. The moment water touches the sensor cable, a 100 decibel alarm blasts. Red lights flash, and an alert hits your phone. Put it under a sink, near pipes, or in the basement. It's like having a 24/7 guard protecting your home from hidden water damage. Ever been on a Zoom call where nobody knows who's talking? This little owl fixes that. It sees the entire room in 360 degrees, hears voices from up to 18 feet away, and automatically zooms in on the person speaking. No camera operator, no awkward moments, just smarter meetings, better conversations, and a conference room that finally feels built for 2026. This isn't just a fan, it's basically wearable air conditioning. The WFO4 clips onto your waist and uses semiconductor cooling technology to blast cool air under your shirt while you move. Working outside, riding, hiking, it keeps cooling without freezing packs or bulky gear. Honestly, this might be one of the smartest summer gadgets I've seen this year. Ever write something important, then spend an hour trying to find it later? Meet the Penstar eNote 2. It feels like real paper, but instantly turns handwritten notes into editable text. Record meetings, convert voice to notes, and sync everything to the cloud. No distractions, no subscriptions required. This is the digital notebook built for people who actually get things done. What if one gadget could print photos, stickers, custom t-shirts, and even temporary tattoos? Meet the INKWON Tag. This pocket-sized color printer fits in your hand, but works like a mini creative studio. Just connect your phone, choose a design, and print anywhere. For creators, students, or small businesses, this might be one of the coolest portable gadgets of 2026. Coffee lovers, this gadget is seriously next level. Most coffee scales just show weight. This one shows a live extraction curve right on the screen, so you can actually see how your coffee is brewing in real time. It auto-rotates, tracks flow rate, brew ratio, and even has dedicated espresso and pour-over modes. If you're chasing the perfect cup, this might be the smartest coffee gadget of 2026. Alright, that's it for today's coolest gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed discovering new tech, make sure to hit like and subscribe to Next Tool X for more awesome gadgets every week. And if you want to check out any of the products featured today, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.